Luodong by Linking368Taiwan. Luodong, once Luodong by the Kavalan named, near lush green mountains, a land well framed, the Taiping forest a sight to behold, with the sports park in town its fame unfolds. Poem by Linking368Taiwan.
Hello everyone, I'm Yang. Today, I arrived at Yilan County at its most bustling spot, Luodong. At the same time, it's also the smallest township in all of Yilan. Not only that, it's also the smallest by area in all of Taiwan. I've heard it's even smaller than Taoyuan's airport. But let me tell you, Luodong is a very fascinating place. The spot I'm standing here right now is filled with history. Take a look around. There is wood everywhere, and you can smell the scent of cypress wood in the air. This place is actually a station, and I heard this station has a significant connection to Luodong's economy. Are you curious? I am curious. So today, join us on Linking368Taiwan as we uncover the secrets of Luodong. Let's go! Did you know Luodong is not only the smallest township on Taiwan's main island, but it also has the highest population density among all townships. So Luodong is small but densely populated. Its north-south transportation network also makes it the busiest and most thriving transportation hub on the entire East Coast. You must start with Yilan Station because it not only bears witness to Luodong's history, but also holds great significance in the present day of Luodong area. Wow, this place is so beautiful.
Hello, hi.
Hello. Wow, this place is so unique.
Yes.
Wow, at first glance, you can tell the design is like a retro vibe, right? And when you take a deep breath, there is this aroma of cypress wood.
The wood smells amazing.
And it's all made of wood.
Yes.
Is this newly built?
No, this is Yilan Station. This station was originally built in 1924.
Oh, over 100 years ago.
Yes, 100 years. This year marks its 100th anniversary. That's right. But back in the 1980s, a typhoon knocked it down. Later, we restored it and rebuilt it using the original style.
Oh, so special.
That's right. Well, after the timber from Taipingshan was rafted down, it was finally transported to Luodong here. Yilan Station became its final stop. After gathering here, the timber was then prepared for further processing and export.
Oh, I understand. But why does it have the conditions to become the final stop?
It remains the only one in all of Taiwan with such a unique characteristic. Let me show you.
I'm excited.
Yes, why was this station located here?
Okay, let's take a look. Wow, you guys have such a big park.
Yes, we do.
You can also see like vintage trains. Is the original look?
Yes, that's right.
Oh. You are telling me you preserve these large pieces of cypress wood?
Cypress wood, yes.
I can't imagine how much they cost. It must be really expensive, right?
Of course, they were extremely valuable back then, and they're still valuable today.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And then also the railway. Why is it designed like this?
Well, what's the purpose of this large slide-like slope? Can you guess what's it for?
Is it to roll the cypress wood down?
Well, exactly.
Oh, is that right?
Well, this is our lumber unloading platform.
Oh, lumber unloading platform.
Right. When the train delivers the wood here, we unload the wood, and there used to be mechanical hooks.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to ask, because there is a bit of distance here.
Well, yes, that's right. There would be a mechanical hook, and it would allow the wood to roll into our lumber pool. After reaching the lumber pool, the wood is sorted.
Oh, this lumber pool is so beautiful.
Yes, it's the largest remaining lumber pool in Taiwan.
But may I ask, why do you roll the wood into the water?
Well, because before this forestation was set up, when our earliest lumber from Taiping Mountain was harvested, it wasn't brought here. It was sent to Yuanshan Township. Back then, there weren't enough tools to transport the lumber, so they used the most primitive method. They used the Lanyang River's water currents to transport the timber, so the most convenient place at the time was Yuanshan. But using water to transport wood had a huge problem. You couldn't control it fully because it would roll around in the Langyang River and the water would keep flowing. Right, sometimes it would roll off to the side and you'd need to set up many control points to guide the wood. And there was also the issue of typhoons and droughts. Well, it either floods or it gets stuck, or during heavy rain.
And the water volume increased a lot.
Indeed. So back then they thought maybe we could get funding to build a railway.
But no matter how you put it, like whether it's here or there, I realized that both places have one thing in common.
What's the common point?
Why is that water involved?
Well, because water helps the wood float on top, making it easier to drag and less effort.
Oh, I see.
But you also need to choose the wood. Yes, the type of wood and its weight needs to be lighter than water so it floats. Heavier wood will sink. Once you throw it in, you won't find it again.
Oh, I remember like when I used to live in Brazil a long time ago. My dad was talking business with someone related to timber.
Indeed.
And they told me the reason was that water keeps the wood fresh.
Right, preventing it from drying out and cracking.
When foreigners think of Taiwan, their impression is usually related to technology or electronic products. Because I remember when I was a child, like those toys sold in Brazil, especially the ones my classmates and friends would bring the toys out, they were all made in Taiwan, and it was considered high quality. And now, over 30 years later, Taiwan's reputation among foreigners is based on the companies like TSMC or the current AI market with the amazing NVIDIA brand. We never thought that Taiwan, over a century ago, was known for its expertise not in technology, but in timber and forestry. Hey, big sister, I have a question for you.
Uh-huh.
Who would be willing to cut down our Taiwan cypress tree? Is it legal?
Well, it is legal.
Oh, but there's a price tag on it.
Yes.
So really can take it home?
Yes, you can buy and take it home completely legal.
Why is it legal?
Okay, in our park, our lumber specialty shop, the wood sold here has gone through legal certification. It all has traceable labels.
Oh, that's true.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they all have serial numbers, sizes, and prices.
Mm-hmm. Because timber resources are very valuable now.
Oh, yes, very valuable. So this is cut down, right?
No, it's not.
No.
Well, the wood here is mainly red cypress and Taiwan hinoki. Both are driftwood. After collecting it, we auction it.
Oh, I see. But look at these timbers. Oh, their prices are really quite impressive, right? What does this represent? Taiwan is truly the treasure island, right?
Yep.
Oh, our forestry became so advanced because the quality was so good. The railways we built back in the Japanese era, oh, that's right.
That's right.
This shows that Japanese thought Taiwan's cypress wood was great, so they sent our cypress trees back to Japan. Maybe some of the temples over there are also use our Taiwanese wood.
Well, many of their torii gates, etc., were made from our Taiwan cypress transported over there.
Visiting this park has truly opened my eyes. Because for foreigners, Taiwan's area seems small, especially compared to Brazil. Taiwan's like 230 times smaller than Brazil. We never imagined Taiwan would have such conditions, like to have this kind of market, the timber rafting market, where we export timber from here. This is something we never thought of. We know Taiwan nature is rich, the scenery is beautiful, but we never expect the wood here would be such high quality. Speaking of the bustling and vibrant Luodong, the most representative spot has to be the Luodong's night market, right next to the Zhongshan Park. Because here not only are there many stalls, but it's also the must-visit place for Yilan's food. So, all kinds of freshly made snacks not only dazzle your eyes, but also make your mouth water. I want to try a little bit of everything. Now let me share with you, when we come to Luodong, you must visit this place. I heard it's very famous. It's our Luodong's tourist night market. I heard they have many authentic dishes here that I may have never tried before. What's their secret? Today I'm going to welcome my good friend, Brother Zhang, to join us.
Hello, Yang.
Hello! What's in your hand?
This is the most authentic food from Yilan, only available in Yilan.
Really?
Try it.
Oh. Oh, my friends. Oh, it's really cool and it's not that hot.
Right?
Yeah, why?
Because our night market has more than 200 stalls.
Oh, that's so many.
So I'm accommodating because you're a foreigner.
Oh, exactly.
You know how we serve appetizers with meals?
Yeah, you really understand us.
Yes, right? So for the first dish, I've prepared 2 dishes for you, which are like appetizers.
Where did you find this?
Over here.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, wow. Hey, is this the owner?
Yes.
Wow, hey, this is delicious. I heard that this is EP13 is a very authentic Yilan delicacy, right?
That's right. Only we in Yilan make this.
Wow, but what makes it so authentic is why it's only found in Yilan.
Because it can't be found anywhere else.
Oh, you can't find it anywhere else.
Right.
Oh, but I have a question. With so many flavors, why is it called EP13?
This kind of tofu skin technique is unique to Yilan.
Oh, really?
No one else does it this way in any other counties.
The sweet and sour EP13 really opens up your appetite. It's definitely the best appetizer for this Chinese cuisine with a Western twist meal. But do you know, the Luodong's night market has grown to this scale not only because of the whole Luodong's area, but also because many of the stalls have been passed down for generations. Some have been doing this for over 60 years. So what other features does our Luodong night market have?
We're really lucky today.
Oh, really?
Let me introduce you. This is the living icon of our night market.
Oh, really?
His name is Uncle Jing Wang.
Jing Wang. Hello, big brother.
Hello. He's been doing business at the night market for a very long time.
You say a long time, but I still want to know how long it's been.
About 60 years.
60 years? So how old are you?
Yeah, I'm 76 years old.
Wow, 66 and still so healthy. You've been here for like 60 years?
Yeah, 60 years, a whole
Wow.
lifetime.
Now you're doing fruits, plums, and guavas.
Right. This is sour and sweet. Try it.
Oh, can I have one? Oh, this is so delicious. Mmm. Oh. A person loves sour. Oh, so delicious. Now let me ask you, our Luodong's night market from 60 years ago until now, what changes have happened?
More people, the crowd is bigger.
Oh, the crowd's bigger. And there are more stalls, right?
A lot of stalls.
Oh, is it true that more and more foreigners are coming here?
Yes, it's true.
Oh, do you have foreign friends? Do foreign friends buy this from you?
Yes.
Oh, do they like it?
Yes, they do. In the past, our famous snack in Yilan was called preserved fruits, and it has that traditional old-fashioned flavor.
Oh, yes.
Although with the changes over time, the Luodong night market has more and more foreigners and visitors from other places, but this snack is still very popular.
Oh, and it's still here.
Yes, it's still here. Do you know what the most famous agricultural product from Yilan is?
What is it?
There's one thing that is very famous. It's called sanxing onions.
Oh, sanxing onions are so delicious.
Here we have a very famous, very delicious, authentic food. It's called sanxing onion meat skewers.
Oh, sanxing onion meat skewers. So this is like the local delicacy from Yilan, right?
Yes.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yes. Eat it just like that.
Wow. But why are sanxing onions so delicious?
Sanxing is near the mountains, so the water there is good. Plenty of water, but less sunlight. So the onions grown there are especially sweet. Every stalk is very healthy, and there's a lot of juice inside. That juice is the good stuff.